Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. So I'm really excited because today we are going to do a Valentine's Day inspired look. We're actually going to play with some makeup today and do a creative look. So I hope you're ready. Let's jump on in. We are just going to spray my Mario Badasco. I think that's how you say it. We're gonna just spray that all over. So refreshing. I'm going to go in with my Physicians Formula, and it's just a little argan oil. And not too much, just because I don't want my face to be super oily, but I do want a little bit of glow underneath my makeup. For my foundation, my hands are like all oily now. I'm going in with the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer, and I'm going in with 01 Creamy Vanilla and 02 Natural. My Real Technique sponge and just dab it. Alright, so that's done. We're gonna go in with a little tiny bit of concealer and get the under eyes. This is my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. We're just gonna blend that out. It's time for brows. And I'm just gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Dark Brown. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to be doing one side of my face, and then I'll do the other side off camera, just so we don't take forever in the video. And I just used my Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer pot to clean up my eyebrow. And now I'm just going to go in with a brush and blend out the concealer. Next, I go in with my Maybelline Brow Precise, and it's a voluminizer for your brows, and you just go in with a really gentle hand and just brush through the hairs. Bam! One done, one more to go. I'm gonna go off camera and do my other brow. Okay guys, I'm back. Both brows are done. So now it's time to set my eyes, and we're going to set my under eyes, so if there's any eyeshadow fallout, it lands on powder and we can just brush it away. And then we're gonna get started. So we are going to set my eyes and my under eyes with this wonderful Airspun powder. Ooh. This is just going to help the eyeshadow blend seamlessly. and set under the eye. The palettes we're going to be using for this are the 35OM, 35B from Morphe. We are going to be using the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette. We're going to go in with a transition shade. And for this, we're going to be using the 35OM. We're just going to go in with a few of these lighter shades up in here. And that's just going to go in the crease. We're just going to play on this eye throughout the video. Now we're going to go in with some pinker shades, and that's going to be more of a transition down into our crease from the brow bone. So I'm going to go in with the Morphe 35B palette and do this pink right. And we'll be taking the Take Me to Brazil palette and playing with this pink to take up some of that shadow. And we're just gonna pat it for right now, and then we'll go back and blend. But we just want to kind of create the shape. And you want to pay attention over in here, your inner corner, to make sure you're not getting your shadow up too far, because you don't want it to be too of a dramatic look up there. Like, don't get me wrong, this is gonna be dramatic, but it ain't gonna be that dramatic. So alright, so now we're gonna go in with this a little bit darker pink shade in the BH Cosmetics palette. I'm gonna deepen the crease a little bit more because we are going to be taking a red down on the lid, and we're gonna want the red to blend in with the pink, so we're helping create kind of a transition shade from the red into the pink. So and you can kind of start working the shadows down under the eyes. We're just going to take a flat brush and we're going to pack some red on it from the Morphe palette and from the BH Cosmetics palette. And this is just going to be packed on the lid, and then we're going to blend it up into the pink. And then so once that's blended to your liking, you can bring some red down to the bottom lash line. Next, it's time to grab the concealer and a really flat curved shape brush, because we are going to cut a heart into our eyelid with the concealer, nothing else. You know, it's not gonna get gory. Okay, so for any cut crease action, I love to use the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm getting really low on it, so it's going bye-bye. And then I love to use any kind of flat tapered paintbrushes. As you can see, it is like completely flat. Take your time and just go slow because it's difficult. It's not easy, so. Yeah, just play with the shape until you like it. Alright, so now we're going to pat down the concealer with a clean flat edge brush. And we're going to go in with another flat brush and the white from the Morphe 45B palette. And we're just gonna set that concealer. Then we're going in with the reds again, and we're going to deepen the outer corner of the eye and drag the red in. And we're going to blend out the outside of the red into the pink. In a very, very light baby pink, and this is going to go where I cut the crease. So you just want to pack that on there, start to blend it with the red. So that's how it looks so far. Going in with a pencil brush and the same two pink highlighters, and this is going in on the inner corner. And then we're taking the Kylie Cosmetics loose highlighter in Santorini, and that is also going in on the inner corner. It's going to add a little bit more of a pop. There we go. Going in with the Tarteist Lash paint. Alright, I'm going to go in with my Salon Perfect 615 lashes because I think they're going to give the drama I want for this. This side of the face is done. I'm going to go beat my cats. Just kidding. I'm going to go off camera and finish this side, and then I'll be back to do the lips.
One eternity later.
Okay guys, so my eyes are done and both sides of my face is done. So now it's time to move on to my lips. I have here my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Spicy. Alright guys, so this is my completed look, and it is Valentine's Day inspired, hence the pink and red. So before you leave, don't forget to like this video and leave a comment what you're planning on doing on Valentine's Day. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. And if you have already subscribed, hit that little bell notification thingy and it'll let you know when I upload my videos so you can watch them once I upload them. I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching again.